Hi guys, welcome back and thank you so much for joining me once again. I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. Today I have a life book to share with you from the Nature Library, and this is The Land and Wildlife of North America. This book is from, it says 64 to 66 is the dates for the material in here. Just gonna try to skim through because there's a lot to it. And these books have seen better days, so I'm trying to be careful with them. And that'll about do it for this one. Thank you all so much for joining me once again. And remember, always make time for yourselves because you matter too. Hope to see you all next time. Bye.